Here are some simple tips to properly maintain your Motiva. First of all, you want to have your Motiva powered on at all times. The reason for this is because it goes through its own routine maintenance checks. Second, when given a prompt on the display of your design center to align your printhead cartridge, always say yes. Also, from the print preview screen of your chosen template, you will notice there is an ink remaining indicator. This is a helpful guide to you to know how much ink remains in your cartridge, but know that you will get a prompt when your ink is running low. You will notice there's a settings button in the upper right corner of the print preview screen. Click on the settings button and you'll find that there are 3 print qualities that you can print in. We do recommend that you keep the dial hovered over normal for a good quality print each and every time. You will also find that the pigment ink cartridge comes with the printhead built in. So when you replace your ink, you are also replacing the printhead. However, if you notice lines or streaks in the printable area of the sticker, that's an indicator that the printhead is dirty. So to manually clean the printhead, just click or tap on Clean. Any other questions regarding printer alignment or if anything seems offset, please reach out to our tech support department.